Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Girl, I got bald head stuff back there. No, girl, you got to put something on your head. What you doing? Hold on, y'all. There you go. That's better. Cause you can't be out here looking all bald faces and stuff, honey. You need something, have some kind of wits about yourself. Okay, that's better. So y'all, say hey to my bald head friend back there. Hey girl, hey. I'm in the process of decluttering my closet. Okay. And so stay tuned for the full closet redo, declutter. But these shoes deserve a video of its own. Okay. You guys, y'all gonna declutter with me. Okay. This bucket of shoes has been in the closet that me and my husband was sharing since we've been here, and I never went through any of these shoes. As I get older, my taste of style has changed tremendously, and I've had some of these shoes for a very, very long time, y'all. And I need to part ways with some of these shoes. I need to part ways with some of these shoes so I can make room for new stuff, okay? Y'all, it's been a struggle. So y'all gonna declutter with me. So, I don't even know where to begin. Oh my gosh. So, this bucket of shoes are like years worth of shoes, y'all. Some of them I don't even know if I can fit or not. So I'm gonna try them on, and I'm gonna make me like 2 piles here. I'm gonna make me a pile, the pile that I'm gonna keep, and a pile that I'm just going to bag up and give to the Goodwill, okay? I do have a big foot. I'm gonna go ahead and put it out there. I have a big foot. I wear a size 11. Okay, so most of these shoes are between 11s and some 10s, just depending on how they're cut, but most of these shoes are 11s, okay? So I'm just going to, oh God, y'all, I have been dreading doing this, but I know I got to do it. It's got to get done, and I just got to do it, okay? I just got to buckle down, and I just got to do it. So, like I said, a lot of my styles have changed over the years. Okay. I'm hoping that all of these shoes in this bucket even have a match. I don't even know, like, what was I thinking by packing this up like this? I guess I was just such in a hurry to try to get everything packed up. I didn't really have no type of organization as far as my shoes are concerned. So these boots right here, I think I purchased these boots from Torrid. Can I still fit these boots? Do I still want to wear these boots? I think I'm gonna part ways with them, because I'm probably not gonna wear them anymore. So these, I got these from Journeys. I got these from Journeys. These are really cute. I think I wore these, I might have worn these shoes like, I don't know, maybe one time. This is what they look like. I think I'm gonna keep these because these are cute. These are super cute. And I think I'm gonna keep these. Alright, so that's going in that pile. These right here, I purchased these from Just Fab, and I think I'm going to keep these because they have a block heel, and I can still do something with a block heel. And let's see what these look like. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those. These right here, honey, I don't know where I'm going with these shoes on right here. I don't know what I was thinking about wearing these. These are super cute, but honey, what am I gonna do with this shoe? What am I doing with this? I told y'all. These are cute. But it's a no for me. Yeah, these are a no for me. So that's going in the giveaway pile. Honey, I don't know what I was thinking about wearing and buying when I got these shoes. These are so freaking old. These are by Sam and Libby. I think I bought these shoes when I was like working in a corporate office and I needed like a little heel. But I think it's time to get rid of these. These are like office style shoes. Get rid of them. These, I love these shoes, y'all, and I simply like them because they have a strap that goes around it. So I still might keep these because these are still cute, and it's got the strap. So I'm gonna keep those. What are these bedroom shoes? What are those? These are from Torrid. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these anymore. I think I'm gonna part ways with those as well. These are another pair that I got from Just Fab. These are super cute, but I'm not gonna be able to do these skinny heels no more, y'all. So this pair right here is going to the giveaway pile. That's the match to that. I might keep these. These are super cute because they have that block heel right here. And I can rock the block heel. And yeah. So these are cute. These are super cute. So these are staying. So I'm keeping those. That's the match to that. These boots, honey. What am I gonna do with these stripper boots? I'm far along than you think for being a stripper anymore. So these were cute. Super cute, y'all. But it's time for me to part ways. And they're suede, they're kind of dusty. I mean, they're really cute, and I rocked them. I rocked the hell out of them when I wore them. But I'm not gonna be, you know, I don't have any. Yeah, that's going to the giveaway pile. That's the match to that. These right here, these are grandma boots. These right here, what was I thinking? I think I got these from Lane Bryant. These taupes, I'm definitely giving those away. I don't want those anymore. I've got some black boots right here. Just some standard black boots. I think I'm gonna keep those, but I can still get those. Okay, now this is a standard black pair of heels. Now, a girl can never have too many black pair of heels. And this is what these look like right here. Super cute. So I'm gonna keep this pair. This is the match to that. What is the match to that black shoe? I don't know. That's going over there. These are some little shoes I bought from Torrid. They're cute, they're flat, and they got the little strap that go around the ankle. I'm definitely keeping those. These right here, I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or not. the pile that I'm going to keep right here. And it's very slim. I've trimmed down a lot. And that is the pile that I am giving away right here. So now I'm about to put all these shoes in a bag, and they're going off to the Goodwill. And then I'm going to bag up these, no, not bag them up. I'm going to put these shoes in my organizer in my new closet, and I'm just going to keep this pile. So the keep pile, the Goodwill pile. The keep pile, the Goodwill pile. All right, so let me see how this thing goes. So this thing better be easy, I hope. Okay, so I just hook these on like this. Okay. All right, so that's easy. This is easy. Easy, breezy, beautiful, lovely girl. Aha. I said I'm keeping these biscuit heels, but I only wore these biscuit heels one time. What was I thinking? Like, I like a shorter block heel, but I don't know about these, y'all. But I'm gonna keep them anyway, just in case, because I might still need these, come in handy. But y'all like these little biscuit heels? They biscuit heels, because they thick as a biscuit. These shoes right here, my favorite. So this will conclude my shoe declutter, organize, shoe with me type video type thing, you know what I'm saying? Gotta, you know what I'm saying? Woo. And y'all, as I'm sitting here looking at these shoes over here, you know they always say the preacher's daughters always had the highest heels. The preacher's daughter wore the highest heels. The heels was the highest ones. And I must admit, that is one truth. I need some high heels. What was I thinking? Honey, I mean, this is good. This is good for what I kept versus what I'm giving away. Okay, I think I did good. I think I did pretty good with what I'm keeping with what I'm versus I'm giving away. Okay, yes, I am a PK at heart. Preacher's kids, preacher's daughter, however you want to put it. But anyways, you guys, this will conclude this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me as I clean out and declutter my shoes. You guys make sure you stay tuned for my big closet reveal declutter. I need to do a separate order, another separate video for my purses, because I have an addiction with shoes and purses, and I think my addiction is really bad with my purses. I'll give you a sneak peek of what my purses look like. And the purse collection. Oh boy. Yeah, that's how bad I really need to declutter my purses. So that might deserve another separate video on top of my closet cleaning out. video. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me. Again, like I said, make sure you hit that big thumbs up. Make sure you keep looking good, smelling good, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.